Initially you'll want to disconnect this fitting right here to make this cable free. And once you've got that free, what you can do is you can push this cable towards the front of the vehicle, and what it will do is free up the cable in here. It's kind of hard to see, but it'll end up making a large loop, and whenever you have that loop, you'll be able to push it down and around, and that fitting will be able to come free from the... So you can vaguely see that cable in the very back here, and this is what I'm talking about as far as pushing it up and then getting that clasp off of the assembly. Better look at the end of it after it's been pulled out. It's got that big nut on the end of it, and kind of goes through the firewall back there with a couple clamps, so you'll just end up squeezing that next and pushing it through to get the rest of this cable out of this area. And now that you have everything apart, you just pull that entire assembly through this hole in the firewall here, and you'll see the cord dangling out. And I'm actually going to pull this through the inside of the engine compartment just to make it easier. Well, I'm going to fight this off camera. And there it is, completely uninstalled. Now you're going to grab your new one, fish it through the engine compartment, through the larger slot you'll see there on the right, where you can see the grass, and push everything through basically the exact same way, but in reverse. And here's the new parking brake cable. So we'll take this, we'll go into the engine compartment and pass it through the hole that we pulled the old one through. And now that your parking brake cable is passed through the firewall, also pass it through the keeper hole right here for this cable. And the easiest way to do this is just pull yourself out a bit of slack with the braided cable here, loop it around, and that way you can get that knuckle on the end passed through that hole. And then just pull it through, and then you'll eventually work this loop out. And pass your cable on the lower end through this hole and feed it until you get to here, and then snap the connection fitting up tight against this. Finally, connect the end of your parking brake cable to the beginning of your rear left parking brake cable connector. And you will see it passes into the hole, and then you'll just pull it and it will seat itself. And that is all there is to this particular fix. I hope this has been helpful. Check out some of my other videos. I'll show you how to set up your rear left and rear right parking brake cables as well. Thanks for watching.